Hey, so we're ready, kind of. Not doing exactly what we wanted to do, but there you go. So what we're going to do, Shorty?
We're going to do this adventure of bicycling, mountain biking up this Indian track, and hope we don't get kicked out because it's on the border of private property. But we're going to scout it out for our friend, 92-year-old Ernie and Jeri. She's only 70-something. But we want to make sure that they don't have to crawl through too much brush on the way back down to this trail. So
we're going to crawl through the brush instead.
For them. And set up some streamers, blue cloth streamers, to make sure we know our path, the best path. So we're doing it for you, Ernie.
But this is going to get hard at the beginning for us, way harder than anything else we'll do. Like taking these bikes up this trail, because it says no trespassing, violators will be prosecuted to the full extent of the law. I mean, that might be $1. Maybe we should chance it.
But this is a climber's route we're going up. So the first part is hiking up to the trail, which we couldn't bike up. It's very steep.
Gnarly.
But it's not too long.
Doing it. Oh God. Say what? Oh God. Well, it was the rocks. Yeah, the left pedal kept catching my right leg as I was trying to finagle it up past the rocks. Uh-oh, what's happening here? Never seen so much water here before either. Perfect day to do this. Quite cool. Except working up a sweat going up this hill. It's not that bad though. Oh, this is quite a Sunday morning workout. Well, first gate's wide open. That's good. Last time we came through it was locked and we had to crawl through. Welcome to the San Diego backcountry. Almost nobody comes here, especially on bicycles, but I do see a set of bike tracks, so somebody's been here before us. Oh, it's really nice out here, very peaceful. we got to get the show on the road here. Times are wasting. Time's wasting.
We need to enjoy this.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it already, but I'm getting cold too.
Cold?
Good, it's
We'll
cold.
run around a little bit.
Well,
Ride your bike down and back up.
yeah, I'm going to ride my bike up and back down. That's the plan. Poor old mongoose.
Look how muddy they are.
Yeah, pretty muddy. Look at all this snow on Cuyamaca Peak.
And middle and north.
Yeah, what's the elevation of Cuyamaca Peak?
6,000.
6,000? Oh yeah, that was a bit lower. We made it to the gate. Oh, shit. All right. This is where we go on foot. Find a way through. Okay. To be continued. Well, we've reached the gate and now we got to go
Into hell.
well into the brush, try and find a way through. Well, there's the start. We've been down this way before, sometimes with better result than others, so we're going to try and find a good way and flag it.
A good way for our friend 92-year-old Ernie.
Yeah.
He's going to be coming through here in a few days. So we want to find him the best way.
Or at least. Okay. Shorty says it's pretty clear. Not my recollection, but we'll see. Not on my hands and knees so far. Okay, so this is the El Capitan Indian Reservation that we're entering.
I don't like it.
Well, yeah. They're unlikely to scalp us. Uh-oh. Thought you said it was clear. Oh, there. So, yeah, I think we got to head kind of north a bit.
Okay, and then up.
Oh, maybe use a blue flag already.
Yeah. Look here.
Somewhere.
Ta-da!
Mars Bonfire Special. We're way out in the back country. Almost nobody comes out here. What I just came up with doable. Now I think we got to veer more or less northwest. once we're up on that ridge, we got it made, I think. We just have to avoid this brush. And I think the brush was off to the left, my left to the south. I think further north it was more clear. I hear crashing noises. Oh, here she comes. So yeah, it's clear.
So way clearer than last time.
Well, last time, yeah, we were on our hands and knees crawling through here.
Yeah. Well, maybe that's good enough.
No, I think we should go to the top. Mission accomplished.
Yay! We found it.
Well, we found a way. I don't know if it was a good way.
You're gonna like it.
It was better than the last way we went through.
Oh yeah.
But
that's not saying much.
Yeah, that's not saying much. Exactly. Last time we were crawling on our hands and knees through the brush. This time we managed to stay
upright
on our 2 feet, just like regular hominids.
Just don't wear your good pants, because mine got all shredded.
We did.
And we got kind of...
Oh yeah.
And Richard got all scratched up.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt in the shower tonight.
Really?
How come nobody ever wants to join us? They got more sense than us, huh? Oh, do you know what time it is, by the way?
No?
Yeah.
No?
No, me neither. But we had lunch, like 1:30 maybe. A whole lot easier and more enjoyable going down this than going up it. Good, eh? Never better.
It's good not having to hike down. Nice riding down. Huh?
Yeah, nice riding down. Hell of a lot easier than riding up.
Walking down.
All right, nice afternoon. Burned watershed beyond this point. Risk from flash flood, rockfall and debris. Warning. Well, we didn't encounter any trouble. Not other than the stiff climb up there. So lead on, shorty. Almost out. Good training. Better than spin class. Ooh, no, that's not exercise itself. Mission accomplished. Well, mission accomplished. Safely back to the car, 3:30. 2,600 feet of gain and 12-mile round trip, I think. Is that right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Part of it was walking, and most of it was biking, mountain biking.
Yeah, mostly, yeah. And we flagged and ducked a route down from the El Cajon Plateau to the west side of the reservoir truck trail. So we're all ready for next weekend.
Yeah.
Whew, I gotta take long pants the next time I get all scratched up.
Yeah, don't bring your good clothes. I'm gonna get all torn up.